So this is the daily, a 2013 Hyundai Veloster, and today I'm going to replace the PVC valve. Should be relatively simple. Basic tools: crescent wrench, pair of pliers, and we've got engine cover. Pull that out of the way. And one dirty engine. Let's see. There's a PVC valve. We'll undo that clip with the pliers. Relatively simple. Move the rubber tube off of it, and that should crack loose. Oh, relatively simple. $10 part that obviously gets overlooked. It's super easy to replace. I don't even know if this video will be a couple of minutes. Oh, that one is well and truly nasty. And comparison. Looks a little longer, but basically just put it back in the hole. And it's just hand thread it to start with. Does not need any crazy nuts to hold it in place. Couple of turns with a crescent wrench. Just snug it down. And it's getting some tension now. Really didn't take much at all. And the hose fits back over the end. Go. And then push the clip together so you can reuse it. Push it back to the original location. And put the valve cover back on. Really simple. What's that? 3.5 minutes of my time. I think it's going to take longer to put this back on. Lining up the pins. Yes, that's probably the hardest part. The other one you can see right through. This one, not so much. There's definitely well past needing to be changed. So less than a 5-minute job. Finding the tools, putting it in. Can't remember what the part number is for this, but it was really like 10 quid. Not bad really. Hopefully we'll have reduced oil consumption. Been getting quite a lot on the back end of this recently.